So I was at the station. I arrived at the station, and I was in the car. The train came in with silver line 5 rail cars, 725, 841, 842, and 701. And then we had the 30th Street train that came. And it was silver line 4 rail cars, 112, 111, 438, and 437. We'll get the Doylestown train next. More trains to come.
Train for 30th Street with 111, 438, and 437. Waiting for the Doylestown. Here we go, train coming in, so let's rail cars. The Doylestown rail cars.
20 is reported.
Listen.
Up to 30 minutes late due to Amtrak power problems. Please remain on the platform.
What train number is late? What train number is late? I don't know. What's 2520. Let's see what they're on. Where is train 2520? 2520. It's a Doylestown train. Yep. It's a Doylestown train. That's not the... It's late, 30 minutes late because of Amtrak problems. Yep, I heard it. Except the train 2520 to Doylestown is going to be running 30 minutes late today because of an Amtrak problem. So, it's a Doylestown train. We will not be seeing that train today. We'll hopefully see it in a few days. Or come with the... Here we got the train to the airport. Is this the train to the airport? Let's see. This is the train to the airport. 2 on 4 rail cars. 456. 455. Son. To the airport. The Lawrence train is canceled, I'm thinking. I think it's going to be running 20 minutes. I think the train's canceled, but I don't know. More come. With a West Trenton train. Look, the train's here. The next one, it's on the other track, not this. Here's the train coming in, the Doylestown for 1 of 4 rail cars. West Trenton train. 5 rail cars. Train 2! All taking off to West Trenton. With American trains and elevators, people having fun. More than Elkins. The train to 30th Street? With some more rail cars? 138! Taking off to 30th Street. Another 30th Street train. Expressing back. Mostly 3 trains blow their horns. Mostly all the trains gonna be blowing their horns.
Just one that didn't.
More to come.
Minutes late due to Amtrak power problems. Please remain on the platform, as this is only an approximate time. Walestown. Passengers. SEPTA. Train 2520 is reported up to 30 minutes late due to Amtrak power problems.
You're going to Doylestown, so your line of force coming. Careful, of course. Oh, this is Glenn's side. Next train's good. So why are 4L cars? This is Glenn's side. So why are 4L cars? 331? Yes, this is the Glen side. The 331 is late. Listen up. We got 331, 330, and 2 up. I think he's going to be late. He should catch up by now. It's a lot of fun. By now, that's a lot of 4L cars. 330, 399, and 398. I'll take it off to Glenn's side. Doylestown train is way. It's the next train that's scheduled. More to come. The Doylestown. Also taken off. More to come with the train to Doylestown. Here's the train to Doylestown. Finally coming in. We're still waiting for the West Trenton. The train's here. I don't know, but I'll check. Can you go back and stay behind? Okay. So why are 4L cars? So are 4L cars to Doylestown. So are 4L cars. 159. 130. 39. 38. All taken off to Doylestown. A lot of trains that blow the horns. We need the West Trenton and the Lansdale before it calls night. The Lansdale, they will call it a night. More to come. Here we got the Lansdale train. What? Some civil armed force. We got some 4L cars. Some 4 cars. We got some 4L cars. Or Doylestown, one of those. Yeah, this is going to Lansdale. Taking off to Lansdale. This is the Lansdale, yep. More to come. Train to Malvern, finding more There's Salina 5 train force Malvern coming in. Yes, this is the train to Malvern, yep. Salina 5 rail cars. 734, the Wawa station car. car 734, the Wawa station car. 804. 803, the Nelson car. 728 and 724. All taken off to Malvern. That's it for today. We'll catch you tomorrow. Good night, everyone. The last train, it's a West Trenton. Running late? No. We got 24/7. That's it. The Warminster train is going to be late. That's it. Yes. You're too hard, ladies and gentlemen. Good night. 28, 829, and 830 the Wall Station car. To Lansdale. That's it. We got some extra one, and they're all in proper order. That's it.
They're really good. And Montreal, on the best side of what's live
Good
this
night.
year.